Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that often gets overlooked in daily routines, between teeth cleaning. It's easy to brush your teeth, but keeping those tight spaces between your teeth clean? That's where things can get tricky. Today, I'm reviewing the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills, tight 414 PQF, designed to help you do just that. If you're looking for a solution to get rid of plaque and food particles from those hard-to-reach spots, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks from Beautyistic. So let's dive into the specifics. These GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are flossing brushes designed to slide between your teeth and remove the buildup that brushing alone can miss. The tight model is tailored for those with narrower spaces between their teeth, so it's perfect if you're someone with tightly packed teeth or braces. The brush itself is soft, gentle, and treated with a hygienic solution, ensuring that it stays clean for up to 10 days of use. The Proxabrush refills are compatible with the GUM permanent handle or the dual-ended handle, which is convenient for those who already own one. These brushes are designed with nylon-coated wires, making them safe for use around braces, fixtures, and implants without causing damage. I've been using them for a while, and let me tell you, the difference is noticeable. They really do get into those tight spaces that floss often misses, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and thoroughly clean. In my experience, using these brushes has been quick and easy to incorporate into my routine. I usually clean between my teeth after brushing, and I noticed a significant difference in the amount of plaque and food particles left behind. They feel gentle enough to use daily, but still get the job done effectively. One thing I really appreciate is the ergonomic design. It's comfortable to hold, and the refills are easy to replace. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, the GUM Proxabrush is really effective at cleaning between teeth, especially in those tight areas. The nylon-coated wire makes it safe for people with braces or implants, and the fact that it's treated with a hygienic solution adds an extra layer of confidence. I also love that the refills are compatible with different gum handles, which is a nice touch. On the downside, if you have particularly wide spaces between your teeth, these might not be the best option for you, as they are specifically designed for tighter areas. Also, while they work great, they might not replace flossing entirely for some people, especially if you're used to traditional flossing. When it comes to value for money, I think the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are reasonably priced for what they offer. The 36 count pack gives you plenty of refills, and since each one lasts for up to 10 days, that's a pretty good deal for keeping your mouth clean. Compared to some higher-end flossing tools, this is definitely an affordable option for daily maintenance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other interdental brushes out there, but none that I've found are as effective in those tight spaces. There are cheaper alternatives, but many lack the quality and precision that the GUM Proxabrush offers, especially when it comes to cleaning around braces or implants. As for durability, the build quality seems solid. The brush head holds up well with regular use, and the nylon coating on the wire means you don't have to worry about it scratching your dental devices or gums. For long-term use, these are a reliable option, but just make sure to replace them regularly to maintain their effectiveness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I haven't had any direct customer service experience with GUM, but the brand is known for its reliable customer service and solid reputation in the dental care industry. If any issues arise, I'm sure they'll be quick to respond and offer assistance. If you've used these Proxabrush refills or similar products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. It's always great to hear what works for others in their dental routines. To sum it up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens refills are a solid, effective option for those looking to maintain cleaner teeth, especially if you have tighter spaces between your teeth or dental appliances like braces. They're simple to use, safe for dental work, and offer great value for money. If you struggle to clean those hard-to-reach areas, this is definitely worth a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.